The Twisted Tornado Crimp is a registered trademark of Via Murano. We are the manufacturer. The Twisted Tornado Crimp has a unique design and it has changed the standard in crimping. The twist in the tube grabs onto the beading wire like little fingers, and when finished, there is a beautiful pattern on the outside. The Twisted Tornado Crimp secures firmly to beading wire. No crimping tool is required. It's easy to use. They're beautiful when finished. The Twisted Tornado Crimp is the best crimp you can buy. Cut the tip of the wire at an angle to give it a needle point. This will make it easier to feed back through the Twisted Tornado Crimp and your beads. Run your beading wire through the Twisted Tornado Crimp and back through again. Now position your wire side by side within the crimp, and as you're looking down on the loop you just made, press straight down on the Twisted Tornado Crimp. Turn it over and press straight down again hard, and you're finished. It's beautiful.